Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install DVDFab for your PC, Android, Mac or Windows operating system. Also show you how to download for Linux and other operating system for your devices. Okay, in this, I'm going to download it for our PC. I have Windows, so I will download for Windows. DVDFab, search here and open this first website, DVDFab.com. Artificially powered complete DVD Blu-ray UHD video backup conversion and authority solution. Okay, all the uh, uh, just wait for a minute. Yes, all the features, capabilities, about, overview and everything of the software is given here. You can read everything here. World leading multimedia solution provided for 20 years. Everything is given here. Okay, so without wasting time, we will go to the download folder and download and install into our PC, and we will also learn about its pricing and pricing plans for our full packages. Okay, download here, click, and download center 20 million plus downloads every year. Okay, 30-day free trial and 100% safe and clean. DVDFab, yes, up to 50% off for 2023 New Year New Year discount. Okay, you can get up to 50% off on this purchase. Okay, so StreamFab and DVDFab, we will download DVDFab for our Mac here. Okay, download here. Okay, and pause. I have not Mac, so I will download for our Windows here and click here. You can see here the 7.7 MB installer for our setup has been started to be download, and we will install it after download. Okay, the variant is 12 and process run the installer. Click on installation, second step. Okay, it has been downloaded. Show it in folder and run it as administrator. Allow this and click to install. Checking data, please wait. Okay, DVDFab 12 for free trial for your PC has been started to be download, and it is checking for more info. So it is going to be downloading, and that's about 2% completed, and setup file will be completed into some minutes. Okay, so guys, in this way you can also download and install DVDFab for your PC or Mac operating system. In this way I have already shown into folder into video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And after this installation we will enjoy the 30-day free trial of DVDFab. We have read about the trial time, and you will enjoy the features free trial in this free trial and enjoy the software. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.